sir. Y'all already know the vibes, man. We back inside the sneaker dungeon, y'all. I appreciate you all rocking with your boy today. We had the Union, LA Ones, and Fragment collab release. Did you guys hit? We're going to go over that, as well as we're going to check out these Salesman Air Jordan Retro 6s, which actually surprised me a lot. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, head over to Instagram, follow your boy, DaRetroWizKid. Let's go ahead and run that intro and get straight to it, you dig?
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, I still wanna ride, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas, dead strips.
Chatter like yeah. They wanna see how quick I turn a savage like yeah. Afraid of heights, but always kept that ladder like yeah. Said we the ones that hop out with them ratchets like yeah. Soon as I hit a left, I ain't look backwards like yeah. Said we the ones that really make them packs like yeah. You think we in the Legos where we stack it like yeah. My Louboutin, my sneakers, money jacket like yeah. It really ain't no myth, girl, I be dragging like. Said she gon' lick me off the lick, scratching on my body like a DJ, baby, freak. I wear it out until she sick of niggas. I sent a text, I told her next time, girl, bring your sister with you. Dark cups and Henny faded. She do whatever for the D, I call that dedication. Said you could tell what's out with from, look how we separate. Try my approach, I mix the champagne with this medication. I made a promise to my dogs that I'm gon' step forever. You know we came about the mud, we got this shit together. I put my feelings to the side, I told her fuck whoever. Said you don't wanna die young, but you can't live forever. The dinner be cold, I'm coming in late. I fuck on the model cause I like a shade. Blacker the berry, the sweeter the taste.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today, we got the Salesman Air Jordan Retro 6. And I must say, y'all, these things turned out to be a whole lot more fire in hand to me than the images, man. And I mean, it's always when you get it in hand because you never know. I know that these weren't supposed to have infrared and they switched it up to light crimson, but you just never know when it comes to those colors of the red that they're gonna use on the pair of Jordans, how they're gonna look when you get them in hand. And I must say, these joints came out fuego. Now, when it comes to the box presentation, they did a good job kind of giving you that all brown box, like a sample box. You do have the hits of the light crimson on this one with the Jumpman, the Nike Air branding and all of that right there. Official name and colorway is the Air Jordan 6 Retro, black, light crimson, and I did go true to size with a size 11. Now, right here underneath the lid, you do have like the sample tag on this one right here, and this is the Salesman sample from 1999. I think that's dope. Black tissue paper, and then underneath the black tissue paper you do get white tissue paper, or should I say trash bag type vibe when it comes to that black, because it's like not really tissue paper. Now, there is no doubt about the infrared 6 being one of Michael Jordan's, you know, biggest Jordans, because that was what he wore en route to winning his first NBA championship, was the Air Jordan 6 infrared, and it's considered one of the greatest Jordans ever to some people, you feel me? So the story behind the Salesman dates back to 1999 when they was first getting ready to retro the infrared 6. You know, it popped up with an unreleased reverse infrared sample appeared inside of a Salesman's catalog. Now this one right here, you know, when you think about it, this being one of the biggest Jordan colorways with the infrared colorway in the 6s, you know, right around the time for this model's 35th anniversary is right to bring back something like this, especially knowing that this was a unreleased version of this sneaker. So the Salesman, aka reverse infrared, distinguishes itself with the flip color blocking on the midsole in red, now opposed to black. Now this one right here, the Nike branding on the heel does have the nice color to it. It's also, as we gotta note out, that they took the, instead of like the normal red color, this is light crimson, which is slightly different than the better known infrared shade. Let me know y'all's thoughts and opinions on these, because I love the sample tag. I love how they went on ahead and they gave us, you know, the lace lock with the Nike and also having a Jumpman on there. I think they did a great job with this. The actual inside with that Jordan sample tag, man, you can't go wrong with that. Let me know y'all's thoughts and opinions on these, man. Was this a cop or was this a drop? Now, I also think that it would only be right that we bring out some of the previous releases and we go ahead and check those out as well to compare and contrast when it comes to this sneaker right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the full detail review over the Salesman Air Jordan Retro 6, or if you guys want to call these the Reimagined 6s, because I've seen some people calling them Reimagined 6s, or you can call them the Reverse Infrareds. I mean, whatever you want to call them, man, you know, everybody gonna have their own entitlement to the nickname that they want to do when it comes to these. But I must say, these are fire with the colorway, man. I like this light crimson, and normally when it comes to light crimson, with Jordan, the color is normally different, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like these have the best color that they've used on a sneaker in a while when it comes to just presenting. Like, I ain't gonna hold you, man, the infrared colors, when it comes to that, I'm more of a Varsity 6. I know it's OG and, you know, some iconic things were done inside the Air Jordan Retro 6 infrared, but, you know, I like the Varsity Reds that came out. I do have those. We're gonna go ahead and take a look over the last couple of, a little bit over a decade, you feel me? Some of the sneakers that came out that kind of resemble this one. But yeah, y'all let me know what you guys think about these, man. I was thinking that they might have did something different with the bottom with the ice, man, and turn these joints to where you would have had like the type of vibe that'll make it age. I mean, they're not like crazy blue, but I would have hoped that this would turn yellow over time. And I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. And I know a lot of people gonna be like, yo, man, I'm not really feeling it when they age like that. But let's take a look real quick. So right here, I do have all of the previous pairs that did release. Now right here, these are my Varsity Red 6s, man. I beat these. I beat these so bad that I beat the laces up. I had to put different laces in them and everything. You guys can see them joints turn yellow. I wore these things to the TG. I'm talking about to the T. You can even see the paint scraping off these joints. These were my first 6s that I like really just demolished, man. I demolished these, and this was as an adult, y'all. So you guys can see how I was taking care of my shoes back then. But now moving into the following release, we did get the infrareds. This was like 2014, 2015, somewhere around there, I believe. And yeah, and these right here, man, I actually don't put these back in the box. I wear these all the time too, you know what I'm saying? So this is like one of those grab and goes. And then right here we do have the infrared 6s, and I've only got a couple wears out of this pair because I'm always wearing this pair. Now I do, you guys can see though, I have worn them. I actually got a stain right there on the back right here, but you know what I'm saying? When it came to these color blockings, man, you can see the infrared was not the same, even though the color blocking said that they were the same when it came to these right here. Now this one is darker and I do like that, but I will say this, man, when I put these side by side and I'm taking a look at these, I like these better. I like the color on this one better, and you guys can see how they reversed it, you know what I'm saying? When it came to these, man, you got the black right here having that actual light crimson, and I think that that's actually kind of dope, man. I think that that's actually kind of dope. I mean, I think it gives it some character to the sneaker. And of course, you can't go wrong with not having your normal blacked out back there and having the color pop. I'm really surprised that back in the day, they didn't do that with these, man, because the black on black is dope, but this just makes the Nike Air branding pop, and I like that. When it came to size, and I did go true to size, I have always altered between, so like in 2018 pair, I think, yeah, this was 2018, 2019, somewhere around there when these came out. For the infrareds, I went with a size 10.5. Now, I actually have a size 11 in the previous infrareds, and then I have a size 10.5 in the Varsity Reds, and all different production times and throughout the time with Nike. And you know, sometimes you just gotta pick and choose your size, but I really wanted to just go true to size. Sometimes 6s run kind of big, so I've went with 10.5s more so, but you know, I got surgery coming up, and I was just like, yo, I might as well just start going with 11s in all my shoes. So I just been buying my true size in every sneaker now, because also Nike has not been consistent with their sizing. So that's another reason. But y'all let me know what y'all think about these right here, man. Y'all let me know y'all's thoughts and opinions on these. Was this a cop? Was this a drop? I'll also elaborate on, they have been making the areas right here at the top for the ankle pop way more than they did when it comes to like the 2015 pair. I want to say from 2018, 2019 on, they actually start making these a little bit bigger. I feel like that's just my personal opinion. When you look at the 2010 varsity reds and you look at the 2015-16 infrareds that came out, they don't have as big of bubbles on them right here around the ankle. I don't know what to call that, but you know what I'm saying, cushioning. Now we also got to talk about the sample tag. I think that the sample on the inside, that was done fuego as well, but that's pretty much it, man. I think that this was a solid release. It didn't look like they sold out. It did look like a lot of places still had pairs for sale, but y'all let me know. I mean, we don't have a 3M on these. Is that a deal breaker? No, I actually just think that this is dope, man. I think this is a dope way to bring this pair of 6s back, and I mean, I like the colorway. I like how they went with that light crimson. I think that that looks dope, but y'all already know the vibes, man. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. Your boy gonna spin them pictures for you guys. Until the next video, man, it is your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, and we out this thing. Get it!
Retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement 3s and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom of the one rapper. This part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces. Put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas. They're stressed and I don't even try. Take all my Jordans and forces away from me and watch a young nigga steal.